Welcome to the IVM Podcast Network. Hi, this is Amit Doshi, and I wanted to thank each and every one of our listeners. It's been 2 years since I founded IVM, and it's been an amazing 2 years. We wanted to learn a little bit more about who is listening to our shows, and so we put together a short survey. The survey is anonymous, and we aren't going to be collecting any personal information. I would really appreciate it if you could take a couple of minutes out of your day and go to ivmpodcast.com/survey and fill it out. Thanks, and please keep listening.
You're listening to TFG Football.
What's up, everyone? Here we are, and what a game, right? What a game yesterday. I was supposed to say last night, but it's not last night. It was early evening. So it was a 4 p.m. kickoff, and we did have the embedded YouTube channel on our website. And for all those who tuned into it, thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed the game, because it was one hell of a match. Mohun Bagan were a little bit nervous.
What?
Yes. Oh, please
What?
don't give me that jazz.
We
okay?
had it. We had it from minute one.
You
it
all
was
did, but
perfect.
when
It was
Valencia...
perfection. It
Yeah.
was like butter,
Bullshit.
like knife cutting through butter.
That
It
only
was like
happened
poetry.
later.
It was
That
more
only-
like butter put on the feet and
Yeah.
the ball would not stay in
Yeah,
in
exactly.
the direction.
It was poetry.
You
Come on.
have to
It
admit
was
it.
Jogo Bonito.
Yeah.
Even,
You
even
have
that
to admit
freaking
it because you
commentator
didn't
was saying
see,
it.
missing in front of goal.
Yeah.
Come on. That was just Balwant.
You were so scared that you didn't even come to office. You said, I'll stay at home and then watch the match from there. Okay,
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure all
because-
the fans
because,
had a bit of heart attack. Because see,
You know what I have at home? A bed. I was like lying down on my back.
coming
aram
back,
se.
what I want to say is, it was not just... Okay, now let's not put just Mohun Bagan fans out there. When we were watching it, we were all supporting Bagan, right? It's an Indian club. But it was really a moment of scare when, when Valencia scored, and it was one goal.
We had it all
And
along. Like
y'all
from
should
minute
have.
1 to minute
Y'all
90.
should
We
have.
had it.
Y'all have had 7 to 8 goals, by the way. After even scoring after the 4th goal,
Balwant
y'all had so
Singh
many chances.
won
It was not
anomaly.
only Balwant Singh. Come on,
Balwant
not only
Singh,
Balwant
just
Singh.
Balwant
So
Singh.
Inode had 2 open chances. He could have crossed it and hit the ball. He did not do it. There were 2 amazing 3-4 amazing saves
Eduardo
by
missed
Valencia's.
2. Yeah.
Yeah. So please.
So
everyone.
yeah, Eduardo is not even like the sure scorer of the team. Like,
I was talking about
depending
Node.
He's
on
allowed to
Eduardo?
score.
He's allowed to score. Yeah.
But I was talking about Node. He did play a good game. Finally, he got a
Norde
goal.
was amazing. You have to remember he's coming back from an injury.
I'm
and,
saying, I'm
and
not taking that
nobody
away.
expected him to play the
I'm
whole
not
game.
taking that away.
Yeah,
I'm not
so
taking that away.
you have to give him some time to get the touch back. I think that's why I think he must have asked, because Sanjay Sen said, I'm gonna only play him for the first half. He must have realized that I need some more time on the pitch to get my touch back, and he asked for it,
And he
and
did
then
in
in
the
the
final.
second half, it
Yeah.
suddenly fell back into the place.
Yeah.
So that's how it happens.
Yeah.
So
So nobody's
Sony
taking that
Node,
away.
if he made a couple of misses after recovering from that injury, chalta hai, excusable.
Excusable. If JJ का goal नहीं आता बाद में, it would have been real. Imagine if Valencia scored and was 3 all aggregate. Imagine that situation. That would have been
but
really
they
insane.
didn't score. Like
Yeah.
even that one goal, I said like the only scare for Mohun Bagan is to get caught on a counter, and that's what happened. Right, Omodu just ran out and jammed that in. But that happens. That's why I gave them 1 goal. Right, but it was okay. It was brilliant. It was such a beautiful game.
It was.
Like the passing was good. The wings were working so well. We had Sony Node just, bhuchal macha raha tha. We had JJ scoring. Like, I'm so sad for him. And he was sad actually. Like, he was, after the match, he was all pumped up. He was talking to the press. He was saying, first hat-trick for Mohun Bagan. It's like one of the most special moments of my career, and all that stuff. And then it was like,
The
okay.
second one was,
Yeah,
It did
it
look
was an
like.
own goal.
It did look like. But the funny part here was, I will mention this off the record when you're talking. The replay that they showed was faster than the real time action. Like, at least we could figure out, okay, what happened in real time. But the replay was so quick that just put us in
They
confusion.
didn't want to miss out on the live action
Yeah.
to the users.
And like crazy.
Yeah, and it was so confusing. I'm talking about this thing, own goal.
Yeah.
Apparently the match commissioner, Liu Jinsong, he was missing after the match. Nobody could reach him because people were still wondering about whether that goal was an own goal or not. So they tried to catch hold of him, but he was in the referee's room, doing the paperwork. And after 1 hour, he sent somebody out saying, "Okay, no, this was a own goal by Hussein Nihan." Right. Why would you torture people like that? Huh?
Yeah,
But,
because the thing was, it was really confusing. They were almost at each other when that happened, you know. It was JJ's leg or either Hussein's head. That's how it was. So when both
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Or ye pair.
both went together, and you actually couldn't figure out whether it was his head or whether header or was, you know, it slid into.
So even football has some benefit of doubt.
Yeah, of course it does.
Making, right?
JJ
But
said
yeah,
it
coming
hit his
back.
leg.
No, it was a good game by Mohan
yeah.
Bagan.
Yeah, he said.
Really.
Yeah, he claimed it. JJ claimed it. He said it hit my leg. So, but yeah, it's not going to go to him now. So.
there's no review system as yet. So
No,
it's
yeah.
DRS.
I mean, even if
DRS.
they try, like the live stream, I mean, it wasn't as good as the telecast. So.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
okay.
But
At least
better
we
than
get
the
to see
first
something.
leg.
Yeah.
Really good. At least we could figure out who played and not watching CCTV footage, trying to figure out ye kaun hai.
Yeah.
Yeah, Kevin, sorry.
So only one or two moments of defense switching off of Mohan Bagan was at that juncture where it was 2-1 to
Yeah.
Mohan Bagan.
Oh man. Oh shit.
Two back-to-back chances to Valencia. You know, it felt like as if somebody's pressed the pause button only for the Mohan Bagan team.
Yeah.
And Valencia couldn't believe, okay,
Anas said
is this a chance for us? And
Like he was
Don't
so
even get
good. He
that.
made so many blocks. But that
Damn.
one ball he just let them,
Damn.
and that other guy just came in, and I was like,
Shit.
oh no, come on, and then he shoots out.
See, Chiran,
Oh, man.
those are the moments I was talking
apart from
about.
that, I don't think any lapses from Mohan Bagan were there.
Yeah.
And they were just flawless in the entire game.
Yeah. So, like, after the match ended, you know, and I said that I took to the Twitter and I saying everything on song for Mohan Bagan. JJ is back to his performance. We have seen Node, he's back to full fitness. He played
Yeah.
the whole 90 minutes. The crowd has started pouring in. And, you know, Bagana back.
About
Bagana
that, yeah, we'll come back to that.
I mean, it's fine. On a Tuesday afternoon, when, as rightly as you mentioned in the preview show, Chiranjeet, when you said, why would you keep a match at 4 p.m. you know on Tuesday?
Apparently
Schools
that was because the Valencia team wanted to catch the late flight back.
It's
So
okay.
they wanted to play early.
It doesn't matter. I mean, everybody has to, you know, you have to figure out all of
Yeah.
these permutation combination, right? They need to get back. But still, that's what I'm saying. It's a good turnaround for an AFC Cup match, and it was a great game for them to watch. They
Yeah.
got a treat to watch, right? Watching Bagan get back on scoring ways, watching their favorite teams come back to performance, and this would really boost Sanjay Sen as a coach, saying,
Yeah.
"Okay, my team is back," you know,
Yeah.
and it's from here, it's game on for us.
Yeah,
And
the
nothing-
sad part is even after Mohan Bagan wins this, it's difficult to digest that only one team will go through from the group
Yeah,
stage.
that is when it comes. I'm like,
Yeah.
damn
You
it!
know,
It's going to be a
that-
fight between two Indian clubs now.
Yeah, they just bottled the South Asian teams into
Yeah.
a sandbox, and they're just allowing one through. They know that there are at least two clubs here who can go all the way to the top. Yeah, and this is West Asian lobby. I mean, I don't care what you say to me for saying this, but West Asian people, I mean, not people, the football associations, they come in with a lot of money. They control AFC to a big extent, and they did not want too many clubs from South Asia to just take over AFC Cup. So
Yeah.
this is for them. You know?
So now here the aggregate was 5-2. Yeah, Mohan Bagan won, and now, as we said, you didn't mention, right? It just puts all Indian football fans in a fix as to now two Indian football clubs will be fighting.
Okay,
it out,
no, I
you know?
have something to say about that. See, if somebody does not support an Indian club in AFC Cup, I mean, I would tease them for like anti-national whatever, but I don't fully like hold it on them, because look, when Manchester United plays in UCL, do you think Manchester City supporters will go and support them? I think we have to understand that this nationalism, when a club goes up and plays in AFC Cup and all Indians come and support them, it comes from a place of slight insecurity because we don't do well in Asia.
Yeah,
so
that's
when
what-
we have one horse in the race,
Yeah,
we
exactly.
try to back it. But now we need to understand that AFC Cup is our bitch. Okay, we are not given a chance to properly dominate it with 2-3 clubs, but we have two horses in the race, and both these clubs can go all the way up.
Yeah.
So we need to stop being insecure about AFC Cup. It's ours for us to take. Hopefully next season it will be a very different format, and we'll have two people and two Indian clubs in the knockouts. But yeah, done with that. You pick your side. Mohun Bagan is there. Bengaluru FC is there. They're both going to play double header now. Like 11th March Kanti Rava, 14th March Kanti Rava.
Yeah.
Awesome
One will be
fixture.
I-League, the other will be AFC Cup.
Yeah, and just go to Kanti Rava, pitch a tent, stay there, enjoy both games. It's going to be a carnival. Pick your sides. No need to be like, have that peer pressure of, back a club you don't like. I love this.
Yeah, I mean, as you rightly said, I mean, the situation in EPL or something doesn't arise because there are more than 3-4 clubs that goes ahead.
You playing in well in UCL is a very usual thing for them. They don't need to be like England club is going out there and all that stuff.
But here it is like a matter of pride no matter which club goes because only
because
one or two goes.
Yeah, we've never won it. That's why.
Or one or two goes to the furthest. Like on the top.
But
level.
we're going to win AFC Cup in the next 3 years.
Yeah,
Mark
we
my
will.
words.
So this is where it's starting. Now something like this comes. Now probably you never know. Someone like East Bengal or some other teams coming up top to more fight and then saying here we are. Rightly as you said, there's no point in feeling insecure about it. And then go ahead and just support pure football.
Yeah,
and just
support your club because you're gonna have options.
Yeah, exactly.
It's beautiful. Options are beautiful.
Yeah, and just as we would always say, Chiranjit will be there. This also takes a moment of pride that yes, even I'm going to be there.
Yes, everybody should be there. Like all roads lead to Bangalore right now.
Yeah, so Kanti Rava, be good to me. This is my first trip for football, so
Kanti Rava is always memorable. Every time I've gone, I've had a big, beautiful memory.
Yeah, either bad or good ones.
No, mostly good ones. I mean, I can make sure like most of them had some really good aspects to it, and every time it's been thoroughly entertaining. And,
we'll talk about the games once when we are reaching those dates. Now let's move on. Yesterday there was one more thing that came out. The camp, Apna national camp is going to begin after 14th. It starts on 12th March. So the players who are busy with AFC Cup will be exempted and will get a chance to join them after 14th. The good news is that it's happening in Mumbai. And why is it good news? Because we are also in Mumbai. That's why we said it's a good news. Now when I was reading the press release that was put out on AIF's website, it said that one of the quotes by coach said that the reason why they've chose Mumbai was the conditions that they're going to play in Yangna is some more similar. And then I was like, oh, finally Mumbai's hot and humid climate that we crib about is put to use. There you go, yay. So now moving on to the serious bit, there was a list of 31 probables that was released, and it's there up on our website. We have various names. I'm pretty sure I'm not going to pick all of their names. That's be too much of time. But happy with the whole 31, Chiranjit? What do you have to say? Or some surprises? Or some not taken? Or some could have been?
Yeah, okay. I'm very happy for some of the guys.
Yes,
I'm happy for Daniel Lalimpuya. That he got a chance. I'm happy for Holi Charan.
Yeah.
I'm happy for Milan Singh.
Yeah.
He deserved it. Subhashish Bose. Yes. Big proud moment for him.
Yes.
Subhashish Bose knocked out Sana.
That hurts.
And just look at the goalkeepers. Of course, Gurpreet and Subrata is there. Amrinder Singh, okay. TP Rehnesh goes ahead of Devjit Majumdar. Why? Stephen, why? You're holding it on him. It's not his fault he didn't turn up for that game. He had to just go and play for his club. And this is one thing I hold against Constantine. He holds the players personally responsible for something that the clubs put them in a situation for. Yeah, the players make most of their money from clubs. You have to control the clubs in order to have a proper harmony. Players will always come for national team. It's a matter of pride for them. But if they are in a shitty situation where they have to choose club or country or whatever, it's a tough situation for them.
Yeah, it's very easy for us to sit here and say that.
Yeah, and I'm not. I don't want to judge the players. I don't want to judge Mandar. I don't want to judge Romeo, and I don't want to judge Devjit. But the fact that none of them have been de facto banned from the national team, right? And Constantine did not make much, hush hush about it either. It's a bit harsh. They should be given one more chance, especially Devjit now, considering his form.
Kevin, your thoughts?
Isaac. I'm so happy. That he's there.
I'm happy for Isaac as well.
Yeah.
Great performance, and Shillong Lejong should be proud of this. They've been playing him so often, and he's been delivering performances consistently.
Dhanpal Ganesh is back as well.
Dhanpal Ganesh might not make it.
Nishu.
Nishu has good prospect, but Dhanpal Ganesh and Falganko and Anthony, I really have serious doubts about these three.
So any which way, making it through to the final 11 is up to Constantine. Is up to Constantine. But being part of the camp
it could have been
is in itself an achievement.
Yeah.
Because you are sharing.
So personally, it's good for them, but for the camp, I was thinking had there been a little more fit players than these three, it could have been a much more stronger squad to choose from.
One person I'm missing is Lalianzuala Changte. क्या हुआ? Like साफ में खेला, उसके बाद से they put him on like a long-term notice or something. But I think for the friendly he could have been a part of it. But I guess this is this is about Myanmar, right? This is obviously Constantine is thinking about that. Fair play.
Yeah.
But I want to see both Jerry Lalianzuala and Lalianzuala Changte sometime very soon.
Yeah, what I want to say is, I love Jackie Chan Singh, okay? He's an amazing player. Whenever he's on field, he's already in action. Like, from the moment you say go, he is gone. Like, that's how it is. And he goes crazy on field. He has some amazing stuff. But do you think, because he's been off action, he's been warming the bench.
He's unlucky.
Yeah.
Okay, he should not have signed for East Bengal. Okay, this is not the kind of 3-4-3. It's not his. It's not his formation. Yeah. He should have gone for. Again, what can you say? He had to make a choice, but he's unlucky. Morgan said the kind of football I play, Jackie Chan will have trouble fitting into that. So maybe if somebody else comes, some other coach comes in, they will play 4-4-2, and then Jackie Chan will get regular games or something like that. So he is unlucky in the club, but whenever he has been put into action, he's done pretty good. So I'm happy that Constantine took that step and put him in the national team camp. At least he's going to get one platform where he can prove. And in a formation that suits him. Yeah,
right, absolutely. Two players that come to my mind which maybe could have been involved. One was Nikhil's pick though, from our team, which made kind of sense. I don't know. Jayesh Rane is what he had picked one, and the other player I thought could have made the cut was Kane Lewis.
Yeah, Kane Lewis. I'm not sure how fit he is right now.
Is that? Do you think? See, because this
that
aspect
played a part.
Okay. Because this aspect did come to my mind. Maybe the fitness issue. Could have triggered, but then he probably. I mean, it was anywhere camp.
It was between Jackie Chan and Kane Lewis, I think, at one point.
Okay.
But Kane Lewis. Again, unlucky because he's in the same team as Sonny Norde, right? He's not going to get many games
but
this
still,
season.
I mean, do you think he should have just given a chance? Probably, maybe
later. I don't think it's late for Keane at all.
Okay.
He's going to get his chance.
What about Jayesh Rane? Considering his form,
Jayesh Rane is up against Satya Sen. And there is Milan Singh as well. So you gotta and CK Vinith can play right wing. So way too many options.
So probably not now, maybe.
Not now, maybe later, hopefully. All of them are not going to be fit forever. So
exactly, And that's what happens, you just have too many options, and when it comes down, it is good. No, good. Exactly. So it's good. So when it comes down to what I was supposed to complete is, when you're a coach, that is like the toughest job. When you have so many options, you're like, damn boy, what do I do here now? So let me just not probably go with the best that I can pick, which I'm familiar with. One, which I know can deliver. The others are not running out of time. I can always fall back, and they will continue their consistent performance because they do want to get into the national team, right? So that's how I think it works, and that's how Constantine puts his brain down there, just trying to read his mind. Well,
hardest thing to do.
Exactly. Well, that's all, folks, for today. Hope you enjoyed the show. We are a great balanced national team and the club. Do come back to us as we are a daily show. Now, just the small, probably I'll put in an advertising, gimmick over here for tomorrow's show. We have something special in badminton starting tomorrow. It's the first show in badminton. We are starting a badminton podcast. So, whoever, if any of you Indian football fans out there also like badminton, or do you know people who like badminton, ask them to tune into the show because we have a very special guest coming on the show. And that's all I have to say. Well, if you're listening to our show on YouTube, you can hit the likes, share, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon so you get updates of our new episode. You can also talk to us directly on Twitter, Chiranjit Oja, as Chiranjit Oja, Boza_Kevin, Sijamantu94, that's me on Twitter. You can also listen to our podcast on Audio Boom, SoundCloud, iTunes, and various other podcasting apps. Have a great day. Cheers.
Hey man, just help me out, man. I need some podcast, man. I haven't had a fix in a week. Just need some.
Don't you worry about it. I got podcast galore for you, man. Just go to ivmpodcast.com. You can also find us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram.
Thanks, man. I'm gonna check it out.